Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice simplification problem that is 6 over square root of 13 plus 1 whole to the power 8. So we have to simplify this. Now let us consider x is equal to this one, that 6 divided by square root of 13 plus 1. So it is, let's suppose it is our equation 1. We have just supposed that x is equal to 6 over square root of 13 plus 1. Now here x is equal to 6 divided by square root of 13 plus 1, and if we just multiply by square root of 13 minus 1, it is conjugate here, so divided by square root of 13 minus 1. So now multiplying numerators with each other and denominator with each other, so we have 6 times square root of 13 minus 1 all over, here we have, that is a plus b and a minus b. We know that if we have a plus b times a minus b, then it is equal to a squared minus b squared. So here we just write that is square root of 13 whole squared and minus 1 squared. Now x is equal to, here the value of x here will be 6, so this 6 can be written as that 6 times square root of 13 minus 1 all over, here we can cancel out square with square root, we get 13 and 1 square is equal to 1, so 6 times square root of 13 minus 1 all over, 13 minus 1 is 12. So if we just cancel out 6, 1 is 6, 6 2 are 12. So we have x is equal to square root of 13 minus 1 all over 2. Now if we just multiply with this 2, then here it will be 2 times x, which is equal to 2 times square root of 13 minus 1 all over 2. So cancelling this 2 with 2, we have 2x is equal to square root of 13 minus 1. Now shifting this minus 1 to our left hand side, then we have 2x plus 1 is equal to square root of 13. So here if we just take squared on both hand side, taking squared, so on our right hand side we can cancel the square with square root, so we have here 2x plus 1 whole square, it is actually a plus b whole squared, which is a nice algebraic formula. It is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So now here 2x squared plus 1 squared plus 2 times a is 2x and b is 1, that is equal to, here we get only 13. Now this 2x whole squared plus 1, so we just write that 4x squared plus 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 2 is 4 times x, and here we have 13. So now here we are going to just find the value of x squared. So for this purpose we are going to shift this one, 4x squared plus 1, and it will be minus 13 plus 4 times x is equal to 0. So now here we have that 4x squared, that is plus 4x, and plus 1 minus 13 we get minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we see that in these three terms 4 is common, so if we just take 4 is common, we have x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now dividing both hand side by 4, here we can cancel, so x squared plus x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now x squared is equal to, shifting these two terms, so we have 12 minus x, we have 12 minus x, sorry, here it is not 12 but it is 3, here it is also 3 because we just take 4 is common, so here it is 3. Now x squared is equal to 3 minus x, 3 minus x, so suppose it is our equation number 2. Now x squared is equal to 3 minus x, so if we just take squared on both hand side, Then here it will be 3 minus x whole squared. Now x squared will be 2 times 2 is 4, x4, which is equal to, here we are going to use a minus b whole squared. So a minus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. Now here it is 3 squared plus x squared minus 2 times 3 times x. So x4 is equal to 9 plus x squared minus 6x. Now here, as we know that from our equation number 2, that is the value of x squared is equal to 3 minus x. So x squared is equal to 3 minus x. Now substituting here the value of x squared, then we get x to the power 4 is equal to 9 plus x squared is equal to 3 minus x and minus 6x. So here we have x to the power 4 is equal to, that is, so 9 plus 3, here we get 12, and minus 6x minus x we have minus 7x. Now we are going to take again squared on both hand side. 12 minus 7x, taking square, using the same formula here on our right hand side. So our left hand side will be x to the power 4 times 2 is 8 is equal to, here we get 12 squared and plus 7x whole squared minus 2 times 12 times 7x. Now x to the power 8 is equal to 12 squared is equal to 144 plus 7 squared is equal to 49x squared, and here we get, that is 7 times 2 is 14, 14 times 12 is 168x. Now our next step will be x to the power 8 is equal to 144 plus 49, and here we are going to use the same value of x squared, which is 3 minus x. So it will be, here this x squared will be 3 minus x and minus 168x. Now x to the power 8 is equal to 144 plus 49 multiplied by 3 we get 147 minus 49 divided multiplied by x we get 49x and minus 168x. So x to the power 8, adding like terms, 144 plus 147 is equal to 291 minus 49 minus 168 will be minus 217x. So here it is our value of x 8. Now we know that as the value of x, we just write that x is equal to 13 square root from this equation, that x is equal to square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. So putting this value here, that is square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. Now substituting this value here, then we have x to the power 8 is equal to 291 minus 217 times square root of 13 minus 1 over 2. So here we just we have just put the value of x. So x to the power 8, here x to the power 8 is equal to 291 minus 217 multiplied by square root of 13, we get 217 times square root of 13, minus time minus is plus, 217 multiplied by 1 is 217, and here we have 2. So here we just write here, that is 2. Now x to the power 8, if we just take LCM, which is 2, so now this 2 times 291, it will be 500 and 582, and here we get 217 times square root of 13 plus 217. So if we add 582 and plus 217, then we get x to the power 8 is equal to 799 minus 217 times square root of 13 all over 2. So it is the value of x at, and as we have just supposed that earlier, that our x is actually 6 over square root of 13 plus 1. So whole to the power 8 is equal to this one, that is 799 minus 217 times square root of 13 all over 2. So it is our final answer, that we see that it is our final answer, final result. We have just find out the value of this 6 over square root of 13 plus 1 whole to the power 8. We have just simplified this, so it is our final answer. Now we are going to just review our problem here step by step. So I have solved this problem step by step here, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for your love and support. Thank you. Goodbye.